Morning, welcome back to another day in the Azerbaijan vlog series, and today I'm heading to just on the outskirts of city. I'm going to be visiting some volcanoes, national parks, or whatever, man. I even know, man. Apparently some bus is coming to collect me, so I booked like this the tour for the day with on Get Your Guide. So yeah, check that out, man. Get Your Guide is really useful and helpful, man. You can book like tours wherever you go, man. In whichever country, you can book like tours and stuff as well. So yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs now, have my breakfast, because I expect you to come in half an hour or so to pick me up. But yeah, it's gonna be a really good day, man. Sun's out as well today, so let's have a look. Lovely sunny today. I wear my shades today, man. Hopefully the sun stays out. Bus right now, man. It's completely empty. Looks like I'll probably have this tour alone, but it's probably going to pick up other passengers, maybe other tourists, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just making sure there is somewhere. Yeah, man. We are here, man, in Baku on a private bus, minibus, I should say. With nice road there, man. Jack with that down there. Beautiful. Okay, yo, it's a bit funky, man. Yeah, man. Let's see where the first stop is. So, a pit stop, man, somewhere in the valleys. There you got off road car there, man. Buggy. Yeah, man. The van's full of tourists now, man. Up here. But yeah, let's go, man.
Guys, as well, you can see numbers. Alright, guys, so right now we're inside of Yanar Dag shelter. Yanar Dag means something like a mother shelter, mother cave. It has such name because women and children used to spend a lot of their free time inside over here when males were hunting, because this is like the most safe place over here. That's not the entrance. There is no way to enter from here, only this side, and it's easier to control the small entry like this. So actually that used to be one layer. This and this, that was one layer. But you see, there's something like a line goes across the wall like this. You see different color. You see? Over here it's visible. When scientists just discovered the Gobustan, all of the caves were covered with the sand. They were buried until this level. So this petroglyphs had a natural cover. That's why they are in a very good condition, not like this ones. Yeah, water was passing over here. That's why that's the only pool over here. And it was collected over here on the floor. That's why these petroglyphs are vanished completely. My favorite one is on the opposite side. That's a bull, which is the 13,000 years old. You can see over here. Yeah, very professionally made. You can see his head, horn, spine, back legs, front legs, tail over here. Yeah, and you can see another petroglyph of the donkey over here. Donkeys or other animals are always depicted next to these bulls to show their original size. These bulls were very big. Of course, it's not like exact size, but they wanted to show that they were very big. They was like nowadays buffaloes, and people are trying to avoid them as well. And the thing is, how did they? So the thing is, how did they do this petroglyph on this height? You see, there is like no way to reach that height. For example, this wall has a handmade post like this that was made to climb higher. See, lower side is shrunk a little bit everywhere because they used them to climb higher. But we have two petroglyphs over trees over here, 1 and 2. And normally people were doing petroglyph of something they see right now, bro.
What's that? No jokes. No, I'm not woman. You say that to them.
Yeah.
No. You just request, I answer. No one requests, I don't.
No, it's good.
Alright, guys. So first of all, I need you to take a look.
Started to spit down now, man. Rain as well. We're heading back to the bus now, man. Explore these rocky reserves, the Gobustan. UNESCO World Heritage Site. So now we're going to head back to the bus now. It's getting soaked, so the next stop will be the mud volcanoes. Let's go, man. There you go. It's raining, man. It's rather slippery surfaces as well, so to avoid any injuries, we're going to take the safe route and head back to the bus. Gonna jump in this bad boy now to do some off-road to the mud volcanoes. So we can exploring the mud volcanoes there, man. Let's go have a quick look at one. Maybe some active. There's 400 in Baku, 1100 in the world, 400 of those in Baku. Well, Azerbaijan itself, sorry, I should say. Shoes as well, man. It's a lot windy here as well, man. Let's go see if there's actually a volcano here. The wind's pushing you back as well. Feels like it's gonna pop at me anytime, man. Just gonna like. So that is the mud volcanoes, mate. Nothing really too interesting, I guess, but I think the journey here today was pretty nice. Signed them bad boys, the Soviet cards. Yeah, man, it was a good experience as well. Yeah, man, let's go a bit closer to this one here, mud volcano. Landscapes around here, man. I think there's a Caspian Sea just in the distance there as well. So yeah, man. People been collecting as well the clay or something, the mud. They can use it for like other, like, you know, I don't know, clay masks and things like that. So yeah, it's pretty good for that reason. But other than that, man. Just gonna head back probably to the car. The other people in the tour group, which I booked with, just a mixture of people that just booked the bloody tour for the day. So yeah, just gonna enjoy, man. I think next stop, I think we're going to the masjid next, the mosque, Bibi Hebat. So yeah, that's so I'm looking forward to visiting. But yeah, besides that, there's nothing else to see, man. Yeah, nice little landscapes, mud volcanoes. It reminds me a bit like Palestine when I went, you know, the countryside area, desert area, the small mountains. Yeah. Other than that, this bad boy car, man. Honestly, mate. Look at this bad boy. I'm gonna drive this car now, man. His brother's saying he's gonna be giving me let me gonna drive this for a cruise around here. Is it manual?
Kanda varsa yani demek.
Şulos.
Driving one of the Soviet Union cars, man, from back in the days. Yeah, what experience, man. Which way? Should we go back around? Bibi Hebat Masjid here in Baku. You got the views of the Caspian Sea just to the far.
There was a conflict between the Shia and the Sunnis back in time, and the 7th Imam Musa gets a Shia Imam. He was afraid if he will meet Sunnis on the way or something, they will start fight, and his small daughter was with him. So he decided to leave her here and to hide her name as well. So when Fatima died, she was buried in this graveyard. The actual mosque is very big right now. We're standing on the roof of that.
Oh!
Yeah, because that's a Friday mosque. And you see all Baku city is coming here on Friday. This building cannot feed all of them. That's why the top building has a tombstone of Hakima only. Because as I said, first mosque was built on her tomb. Yeah, but we have a bigger rooms below us. And on a Friday, males go below. Women go on the top. That's it. Okay, let's take a look.
Let's take a look of the Caspian Sea, man. Not the best of views, really, with all these very ships and docks and things like that. Cranes everywhere as well. But yeah, you got the beautiful, glorious masjid. Let me get a view of that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the beautiful Bibi Hebat masjid. The actual masjid is below where we are standing underground. So yeah.
Come to the natural fire, but it's very hot, about 600 Celsius degrees, and like 5-6 meters away you can feel the heat very crazy. Well, mind your head, please. Oh. Okay.
You see that the Ganesh monument? That's the god of the Hinduism and the Sikhism religion. It was belonged to the 1500 of BCE.
Well, I see the Hindu temple in Azerbaijan, but yeah, man, here is very old historic Hindu temple here. A lot of history preserved as well. Just looking for my tour guide, man. Where's he gone? I lost him, man. There they are.
Yes, so I would say that was the caravanserai. So this is your private place, and the opposite side is something like a private garage. You know, people were traveling with some amount of lifestyle, and they were carrying your goods. So that was very important to take care of them very well, because you lose your livestock, they cannot carry your goods anymore. You are losing time, you're losing money. There's a bunch of problems coming with this as well. You need to find to replace it. That's why it was very important to keep them, to take care of them very well, to keep them under supervision as well, so they could be kept only inside. That was an entrance for them over here, because it's a sacred temple.
Like stairs.
Yeah. Everything that covered with the glass over here is a part of our original fire temple that we had, that was built here in the 2nd century AD and preserved a little bit. So we had another fireplace over here. You see? Yeah, that was a fire burning over here. Quick question: do you guys know what Hindus do with the dead people?
The cremate.
Yeah, they cremated, exactly. Same thing was practiced over here, and that's the platform for cremation.
Yeah.
It was destroyed, but they assembled again, they restored it, but they used the original pieces of rocks, and you see they're black because it was burning back in time. In this room, we have... No, Zoroastrians are not doing it.
No. So the fire worshippers, they burnt their people?
Only Hindus. This is the Indian part of the temple.
Indian part.
Yeah.
Yes.
For Zoroastrians, we're doing it in a different way. They put the dead bodies on the power silent dark ones. Yeah. You remember, right? I told you in the car, yeah.
Well, I've been to Iran.
Oh, really? Yeah, actually, this is still preserved. Yeah, here you can see the idol of Lord Shiva dancing. Yeah, the original idol. Actually, this one is not original, because in 2013, when it was stolen over here, before everything was original. So they replaced everything with exact replicas, but originals are in museum. Remember the song that I was saying? So they're very fragile. And once you add some water to the limestone powder, it burns your skin. The good side and bad side first appeared over there. I'll tell you later. It appeared in the 8th century BC, in the time of the Achaemenid Empire. And take a look at this mask. This is traditional student, but take a look at the mask. That's a face mask. During the rituals with the sacred fire, it's prohibited to blow on fire or accidentally spit on the fire. We're people, right? As we talk, we can do this. Accidentally, it happens, but in their religion, it's very big sin. So they physically prevented wearing this mask, which covered nose and the mouth. They tie it like this above ears. Here we have something like a basket called a sabda. Each fire temple has to have fire burning in it, right? Because it's a fire temple. So here it's just amusing. That's why we use gas over here. But original fire temples, they support fire with wood. They supported 24/7. Once they open the temple, and the fire is never going out over there. And for example, right now, majority of fire worshippers, Zoroastrians, are located in India and Pakistan. So they take this fire there in the 6th century AD, when the Muslim religion was expanded over here. Yeah, so they just escaped. They went to India, and they take the sacred fire with them. And from that time, already for 1,500 years, this fire is burning continuously with different. This one is ancient one. It was brought here in the Middle Ages, but this one is replica of original as well. Nowadays, ones look like this. It looks like that. Sacred fire, Zoroastrians were making the same. And this is the water well. rooms are something like a museum, guys. You can check them out yourself. Take some photos, and we are going to the burning man. If you have any questions.
Fire temple. A lot of Indian tourists, man. Blimey. So many Indian tourists. You can see, man, a lot of Indian tourists, man, coming to the fire temple, the Hindu temple here, mainly because obviously it's maybe very historical Hindu temple, very old. Also, yeah, man. Just had to leave now. We're gonna head to the next destination, a burning mountain. Go check out the historical, sites there. But yeah, man, a lot of Indian people here, man. Feels like I'm in India, all over again. So you got this cat here, man, swiping. I think she's hungry, man. The cat is. The burning mountain, burning the last thousands of years. It never goes out, even if it snows, rains, or whatever, wind. Continuously burning. You can feel the heat, man, from here also. Let's get a bit closer. That is hot. Yeah, it never goes off, man. This fire continuously burns like that, and it's been like that for thousands of years. God knows how long, but yeah. So there you have it, guys. The burning mountain, Yanar Dag, here in Baku, or just the outside the city of Baku. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful, beautiful little area, well preserved as well. Yeah, normally sites like this one I look after. Others over there watering some plants. Don't know if this is part of the site where I'm going. Let's see. No, looks like some e-scooters, mate. You can hire over there and do some off-road riding. Yeah, it looks like some e-scooters and segways you can hire, man. Do some off-road riding. Not really interested in that one. If it was quad biking, I don't mind, but that's a bit slow, man. Slow as hell as well. Let's just chill by the burning mountain for a bit, mate, before we head back into the city. It's been an eventful day exploring these UNESCO World Heritage Sites here in Baku. A lot of Indian tourists again. Far too many Indians. So let's sit down here, man. Yo. Really, really warm today, man. Really warm today here in Baku. 32 degrees right now. It's almost 6 p.m. in the evening. And yeah, that burning fire probably tripled that. Yeah, man, this is Baku, guys. Tomorrow we're going to be heading to country number 40, Georgia, Tbilisi. So I've got an early morning flight, well, 10 a.m. or so, not really early, but yeah, head to an hour or so away from here, flight straight to Tbilisi, capital of Georgia. So that's the country, not the state of US, Georgia. And yeah, we're going to explore that for a couple of days. We can head to Armenia, hopefully, and they'll let me in as well on the day after. And yeah, it's good, man. Enjoying these moments here in Baku before we head back to the UK, and it's a bit cold and windy and raining unexpectedly as usual. Ronaldo! Oh, Ronaldo! Kids enjoying the football session there, mate. Okay, there's a ball here. So tempted to just launch it, mate. But it's alright. Back at the Hyder Aliyev Center. Yeah. Came here yesterday, man, but the group are in this part of this tour, they want to stop here and take some photos, so yeah. That's all got my love Baku sign. Yeah, man. This is the famous squares, man, here at Nizami Street. Oh, भाई साहब कैसे हो? आप इंडिया से हैं? बांग्लादेश? पहला सुनी? सिलेट? क्या बात है, सिलेटी? यहाँ पे you live here? यहाँ पे रहते हो? How many kisses? How many years? हैं? Blogger है हम blogger. From UK, England. Bangladesh people both too much there. कोई restaurants है पाकिस्तान के? Pakistani restaurants है? Brother from Bangladesh, you know. Bala Suni man, Sileti. Shout out to all the Siletis, mate. Just gonna roam around the street here for a bit. Last night, man, might as well make the most of it. Yeah. Baku. Gonna cool down for a bit, man. Oh, it feels good, man. Fresh cold air, that is. You better give me some correct directions, you know. You got Zara there, boycott that. 100, straight up. Yeah, it's a busy district here, man. Shopping, the lows. Need to find some spot to eat, man. I actually thought I was a real person, but it's a little statue. Back in my hotel right now. What an absolutely long ass day, man. Eventful day. Explored some really interesting and cool sites in Baku and the surrounding areas of Baku. So yeah, I've got not much to say. All I can say is that Baku has been absolutely a eventful trip, you know. If you ever do consider coming to Baku, make sure, you know, you do your research of things you want to see. There's much more to see in Azerbaijan, especially, you know, up north, the mountain areas that borders with Dagestan, them sides as well. So next time if I do come, hopefully I'll get a chance to explore them sides as well. But yeah, other than that, what I was going to say, the food relatively here is very, very cheap. You know, I just had a doner wrap, fries and a drink, and also added baklava, 3 baklavas and national tea, the Azerbaijani tea, all for £5.45, which is around about 11.1 Azerbaijani in currency. That is absolutely a bargain. And in England, that would have cost me a doner wrap meal from GDK, especially, would have cost me 12 quid. And then add those 3 baklavas, they probably cost me like another 3 or 4 quid. So that's 16. And then a tea would have cost me like 2 quid. So that's 18, yeah. I would have paid 18 quid. And I paid £5.45 here. So you see for yourself, man. Baku's the place to be. I'm kidding, man. But yeah, make sure you smash that like button, share, subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'm heading to the airport. And it's going to be country number 40 to Tbilisi, Georgia. Let's take care. Peace.